Okay, we're over here to my desktop, so now you can see things just a little bit more clearly. This is a Windows computer, okay? Windows mouse, Windows start button, which is ironically where you stop the computer using the start button. And when you click this, it goes up. Now, if you have an Apple, this is what your menu looks like. It's called the Apple menu, and it goes down, but it still has those three things: sleep, restart, and shutdown. So that's how you shut down a Mac. You click the Apple and go to sleep, restart, or shutdown. I'm going to minimize that and just deal with the Windows one. So here, you go here, you click the power button, and then you're going to see three things pop up normally. Now I have five, but normally you're going to see sleep, shutdown, and restart. I'll explain the other two in a second. Sleep is what I told you about. It still uses power. So you don't want to leave your laptop on like that for a long time. And I wouldn't leave my PC on like that because it's still running power through your motherboard and your processor, and it could mess up your computer. So sleep if you're going to come right back to your computer. Shutdown puts everything, closes all the apps and shuts down the PC. And then restart, of course, will shut everything down and bring it right back up again. Now, the thing about shutdown on a Windows computer is that it does not shut your computer down. Ironic, isn't it? Shutdown puts it into a hibernate mode, like a deep sleep, but it still has everything in place. So it's not using any electricity. But if you're having a glitch with something, let's say your Microsoft Office doesn't work, or something's frozen on your computer, or something that you know that you should just shut it down, when you do this shutdown, it does not shut it down. It's going to keep those glitches frozen exactly the way they are, and then when you restart your computer, they're still going to be there. So if you have a glitch, you should go to restart, which puts everything away. Or the trick is with shutdown is you hold your finger on the shift button. So I'd show you with a camera, but I don't have a camera on my finger. You hold the shift button down on your keyboard, and then you click shutdown. It's going to take about 3 more seconds to shut it down and about 5 more seconds to start it back up. But that really puts away everything, gets rid of those glitches, and uses zero electricity on your computer. So the right way to do it is to click on the button, click on power, and do shutdown or shift shutdown. I do shift shutdown because I don't want any glitches happen on my computer. Now mine has 2 extra ones because in Windows there are updates waiting for me to apply them. And you really want to do these because they keep you out of trouble. 1 out of a million times it will cause you a problem, and you may be one of those lucky recipients that it caused a problem to, but the policy is you should always do your updates. So if I do this one, it's going to run through the updates, which may take a few minutes, and then shut down the computer. Sometimes it even restarts once. It'll update, restart, update, and then shut down. But if you ever see these, you do want to do these down here in the bottom. I just wanted to point that out to you, the right way to shut down a computer. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.